Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, you meet me with Miss Prapti at Prapti Sedi channel. Long time no see. Now the time for speaking English and giving lesson about discussion text for the lesson class 12 senior high school. Everybody, you ever listen about analytical exposition, hortatory exposition, report text, and descriptive, and another. But you just listen now about discussion text. Well, to know more about discussion text, listen the video from the first until the end. Well, everyone, when you have something arguments, so of course there is how to pro and contra, or agreement and disagreement. So the time when you read a text and you find inside a text there is an argument between disagreement and agreement, or maybe something like pro and contra, or maybe something like advantage and disadvantage, it is text that refer to discussion text. Well, now listen please. A text which present an argument, but for the first paragraph presented by something general about the case in around us, such as crime, society, and many today's fact or many today's information, then presented by something like do you ever listen about bullying? Well, bullying such today activity done by people or by student or by person in schools, in offices, or in environment, or in another. Well, exactly, bullying done such by people to make joy or to make a joke to his or her friends, but they don't know what advantage and disadvantage of bullying and how it impact to person who get bullying from his or her friend. It is a first paragraph. So continue by such example. For the second paragraph, like this. I agree with such bullying that done by person in order to create or to improve him or her of everything that can be good impact by him or herself, such as from fashion, such as from a way of thinking, such as from food and drinks, or many action in the society or in environment. And I agree with such bullying because doing bullying can improve another person's response, and then he or she can improve him or herself, and after he get a bullying, he can improve himself to become better in the time or in the future time. It is second paragraph. The second paragraph, which tell about something support for the first paragraph, it may called by pro argument. Pro argument, it means agree with fact or with the explanation in the first paragraph or in the information in the first paragraph. The second paragraph called argument pro or disagreeing argument. Well, for the third paragraph, it may call disagreement or disagreeing argument in discussion text. Example, I don't understand or I don't really agree with activity such bullying. Bullying can make really hurt the heart by person who get bullying in the society or in a classroom or in offices or in such many places. That way, bullying can make people down or even can a bad mental health. That way, when person get bullying and he or she down or doesn't have the capability how to manage him or herself to improve him or herself in the activity or in the performance or in everything by him or herself, it may hurt. Moreover, can be down him or her in the society or in everything in his or her mental health. That way, when person get bullying, it may depends on the person who get bullying in the society or in environment. Well, the last paragraph, the example from discussion text is support or maybe doesn't support each pro or from pro or from contra. So maybe conclusion or the last paragraph from discussion text may text such I don't really agree. This is disagreement. Mean the conclusion that the writer give the last argument by disagreeing. I don't really agree with activity bullying that make person down or even make him or her become down in the mental health. Well, so discussion text may has a social function is to present an argument between pro and contra. It is the social function from discussion text. And discussion text also has the generic structure. What are the generic structure from discussion text? Generic structure from discussion text such as first paragraph it is thesis, general statement. So the second paragraph it may call argument pro or supporting argument. The third paragraph disagreeing argument or argument contra. And the last paragraph it may call conclusion or closing of the statement taken by the writer at the last paragraph. Well, the use of tenses in discussion text, it may the tense of simple present tense. Usually the simple present tense is really good and usually used for the present times, different to the simple past which used for the story like narrative text, recount text, and another. Well, everybody, hopefully by giving the explanation from my today's new video from Prapti Sedi channel, hopefully all of you guys understand and have memorized, have your idea and understanding about discussion text. Hopefully this video really useful for you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to wait my next video at Prapti Sedi channel. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.